Hello, and today I'm doing the first video blog review, and the request is from Ricky Stewart, and he has a blog called "These Opinions Are Fact." So let's go over there and see what it looks like. So this is Ricky's blog. The blog URL is theseopinionsarefacts.blogspot.com, and I can tell that it's built on Blogger, a blogging platform by Google. So the first thing I see is the title over here. Um, these are actually supposed to be four words. These opinions are facts, and to the search engine, it will look like one word. So it doesn't make sense to them. What Ricky might want to do is to actually speed up his title and make it into the four words that it is. And he has a nice, cute little header over here. And when I first first came to this blog, I didn't know that these are actually tabs or navigation links, because I thought it was part of the header itself. And what Ricky could do is to make it more obvious by probably not using it, these images as the navigation links, and probably just make it a simple text link. And let's go over to the sidebar. He has a poll run currently running right now. I'm not too sure if it has anything to do with the blog, and I believe that maybe it could even be a internet joke of some sort. But if it's not important to be there, I mean, it can be used for some other things which is more useful. For example, if I were to go down here, Ricky has an opt-in form, which is great for people to subscribe to his blog post. And this is probably done using MailChimp, if I'm not wrong. And there are other email marketing software that you can use, for example Aweber, which I use and recommend. And you can make it much more nicer over here, and also to move this form all the way up here, you know, what we call sometimes is above the fold, so that when the visitors come here for the first time, the first thing they see in the sidebar will be the opt-in form. And from the blog archive, I can see that Ricky has been blogging since January this year, which is good. And he also put the categories into series like comics, editorials, facts, and things like that, which is a great way for people to navigate around the blog. As for the blog post itself, for example, this one, these are made up of only images that Ricky created himself, which most of the blog posts is created with images. And you have to understand that the search engine does not see all these text in the images unless you kind of optimize it for using alternate titles, or title for the images itself. So to the search engine, they will just see almost a blank blog post, because there are no text in it at all. And at the same time, what I understand is Blogger, for you to actually leave a comment, you have to be logged in into Blogger to actually leave a comment on any other blogs there. And she's kind of a disadvantage if you have a blog. Um, for in this case, where Ricky's blog post is mainly made up of images, having the comment section that can be easily used would mean that there will be more user-generated content, so they can write about what these images is about, and the search engine will see that and use that as part of the content. And there are some sharing buttons over here, like the Twitter or the Facebook button. What I would suggest is for Ricky to use some more obvious buttons, bigger buttons, which is more colorful and obvious, so that people will share this blog post of his. So back to the home page. In all, I see that the blog is kind of devoid of any colors, probably because Ricky wants to showcase his work, which is all these images, and not to distract the visitors from the other parts of his blog. Maybe that's what he wants to do. And other than that, I kind of like the nice background over here, which makes it very simple. And I think it's very niche kind of blog where he create all these images, kind of comic-like, which are some of it I do look through and it's quite funny to me, and hilarious or entertaining. If these are the kind of blog where people come and read for entertainment, so it's great. I think Ricky has something going on here, and he should continue doing what he loves, like the images he's doing, and hopefully it will be a success in time to come. So that's all the review I have for Ricky, and I hope he can implement some of the changes that I've recommended, and good luck to his blog.